That's why there's a blizzard warning out for Plymouth County, Cape and the Islands. Northeast winds 30 to 40, gusts 65 miles per hour. I wouldn't be surprised if we get some rain on the outer Cape that maybe even a little bit stronger than that. And then inland, we're talking about a winter storm warning that's going to be in effect. Heavy snow with a northerly breeze. And again, this is going to be going into effect from 4 a.m. Monday all the way till 7 a.m. on Tuesday. So tomorrow is going to be a mess. So let's break it down. How much snow you can expect? Well, if you're traveling off to the north and west, really kind of dividing the line around 495. We should see about 3 to 6 in the Worcester area. Boston, I'm putting in 6 to 9. Now, my real thinking here is I really want to concentrate on 6 inches of snow, but because we've got these ocean bands setting up, one of those bands could set up over the top of us, and that's why I've put that higher level in there at 9 inches. Same thing as you're traveling down through the South Shore. This is the area where we think we'll see the heaviest snows. But again, we've got to get these bands setting up, and it's really difficult to forecast those bands. In fact, many times we wait until we're in the event and we actually see them on radar showing up. So I've put a broad 8 to 12 inches through this category. I think there may be a little bit of mixing going on toward the outer Cape, so I'll keep the totals down there a little bit. And when this initially starts, it is going to be a very heavy, wet snow that we're talking about. And then as the temperatures get colder tomorrow, it becomes more of a dry snow. So here's what it looks at 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. You're thinking, okay, I'm good for the morning commute. No, this folds in really fast. So once we start talking about the morning commute tomorrow, the snow is going to be out there. If you are going to be trying to go to work, and I'm not encouraging it by any means, if you are, you should go very, very early, because then we get this going on. And really from about 8 o'clock in the morning until about 2 o'clock in the afternoon is probably where we'll see our steadiest snows. There's those bands even showing up on our computer models here at 2 o'clock. We'll start to taper it off to just kind of some light snow going through the afternoon, but the damage is done. So the evening commute is going to be slow as well. If you have a chance to take tomorrow off, I would recommend it highly. As we head towards Tuesday and that second system comes in here, see how we've got a little bit of snow trying to show up again, but not nearly as organized. And this one also is tracking way offshore. So tonight, cloudy skies, some snow towards dawn, 22 to 30 degrees for the overnight low. Tomorrow it's snow and temperatures falling. That's why it's a heavy, wet snow initially, and then it goes into more of a drier, fluffier snow as we head towards afternoon. Winds are going to be ferocious, especially along the coast, down through the Cape and the Islands. As around Boston, we should see wind gusts up around 40 miles per hour. And most of this is going to be concentrated in the morning to the early afternoon, dying down a little bit as we head towards tomorrow night. Remember, the storm is way offshore, but it is kicking up enough wave action that we're looking for minor pockets of moderate flooding, mainly along the South Shore here where we've got this coastal flood warning. North Shore, you're in a coastal flood advisory. That's a little bit less of a grade that we're talking about, but do keep an eye on that. High tide coming in right around 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, so be cautious about that. So tomorrow, chalk it off to wind and snow. Tuesday, part 2 of this system. A little bit of light snow across the area. Even Wednesday, as another frontal boundary comes through, some snow showers are out here. And a few flurries on Thursday. You get the idea. We've got 4 days of off and on snow. But the bulk of it is going to be tomorrow and before 3 o'clock in the afternoon. After that, by the way, once we get to Friday, look at the cold that comes in here. We've been kind of spoiled with the warm temperatures we've had lately. Highs into the 20s, lows into the teens. Some places could get into the single digits as we talk about temperatures later on this week.